Hey, so today I received the keys of my new home, so that felt very good. And now I'm busy like packing, and yes, today is the last night here, so it's double. I feel a little bit sad and also glad to start this new chapter of my life. Don't know what it's going to be, but we'll see. I will make the best of it, and yeah, I know I will learn so much more about myself now, and I'm just already learning so much more about myself, so I'm excited for the rest. And for now, I'm just going to take a bath and relax a little bit because I'm tired and I have a lot to do tomorrow for moving. So see you tomorrow. Bye.